6 must-read rules for how to give the perfect kiss. Kissing seems like it would be one of those instinctive things humans do, like yawning, stretching or scratching. After all, what is the big deal about two pairs of lips locking together? However, some kisses can be relationship-ending turnoffs. A bad kiss can be so stomach-churning that the recipient never wants to encounter your lips again. A kiss can be so repulsive that the thought of your lips touching theirs makes them want to heave. I have had a few kisses so bad that I wanted to hurl in my mouth. So, let's go over the basic steps of how to kiss. A kiss that will make the recipient desire you more, rather than leaving them wishing they never kissed you at all. 1. Be mindful fresh breath. Make certain your breath is fresh, minty or sweet. Few things are as noxious as a mouth that tastes of garlic, Cheetos or old fish. 2. Keep your lips soft. There's something about kissably soft lips that hypnotize and beckon you, ever so sweetly, to come play with them. Make sure your lips are as tantalizing as they can be. 3. Subtly open your mouth. Part your lips slightly. Remember, this is not about swallowing his head. No one wants their face drenched in your saliva. Do not open your mouth so wide your partner could take swimming lessons in your throat. 4. Do not immediately look for his tongue. Tongues generally meet when kissing. However, do not grab his tongue for dear life. If this occurs, there is a chance he will lose his breath and choke. Do not try to give him a tonsillectomy. 5. Kiss his mouth. Plant your kisses all over his mouth, the corners, his top lip and bottom lip. Then draw back a little before allowing the kiss to proceed. 6. Relax. Do not get so uptight. You should not be wondering how the kiss will be, if he likes you, or if you two will on another date. This kind of stress will make you stiff as a board in his arms. Kissing, when done right, carries more weight than it is given credit for. Brush up on how to kiss and leave your partner wanting more.